Okay. Just beginning. Gently in Guido's Renault 2.0 liter turbo diesel. 40 kilometers an hour. In the deep wet. Okay, and now we are, this is racing, but in the wet. So, Guido, please let me know. It felt like you were going a very relaxed pace, but even then the car spun.
Okay, now be here on the right side.
Yeah.
You must look in the
Mirrors.
In the mirrors, yeah.
Yeah, to be allowing traffic by.
Yeah. When somebody comes to overtake you, put yeah, okay.
It looks like the heated seat is on.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a little bit slow.
Yeah, I see the standing water. In our front wheel drive, but very torquey combi. This engine might be a good fit for the WIKISPEED car because that car is so light. No one is behind, so I can take up the track. It's very tight, right?
Slowly, because there is a left corner.
Here.
Yeah.
If I remember, we always turn later than you think on the Nordschleife. The turn in, the rhythm of the track is always to turn in later than you would imagine. Now there are headlights behind. Stay inside and let them do what they like. Wow, they're very confident. I wonder if they have rain tires.
Of course, yeah. This is very dangerous now here.
Yeah, and we're being passed.
Okay. I think my tires are not the best for this racetrack in the rain.
Well, they're probably all-season tires, right? They're probably not race tires or race wet tires. Still, feeling the track roll under us, even at very low speed, is very satisfying for me. There is still no experience like it in the world. This is the overpass of the actual public road, correct?
Yeah. No, not a public road.
Oh. The next turn is to the right?
Yeah, after the hill, on the right. very dangerous place now. It's a little bit slower.
There's loose sod you see from where someone went through the lawn. Yeah, even at these speeds, you can feel the back end moving a little bit.
Yeah.
Very little bit.
Yeah.
You think with the combi we would have all that extra weight on the rear and it would hold. Just gorgeous. But I have to keep in mind that we could be killed at any moment, so
yeah.
we can't get too caught up in the beauty. Right,
somebody behind us, yeah.
Float to the right side. And there, MX-5.
So slowly. So on the second gear. Oh, it's very slippery, you know. You see him just a little bit slower.
I'll need to memorize that if I'm going to do this quickly. That was a surprising decreasing radius from the driver's perspective.
A little bit slower.
And we are in your car, and you know it's the first time I've ever driven your car, so I understand completely. It's amazingly brave and generous for, even on an extremely slick day like this, for you to invite me to participate in a ring run. Thank you very much.
So now very slow. It is very dangerous.
A very tight one?
Very dangerous here.
Okay. I will simply
Because
inside.
when you touch the white lines here, the car is drifting away.
You're right. The way the angle, the back end almost slipped out. Well, it wiggled, and I was only going 40 kilometers an hour in this wet. No, you're right. That descending snake.
Yeah.
It just takes the weight right off. Yeah. Thank you. Good to have a coach. And nice that most of the cars are away from the ring today because of the bad weather, so that I can take my time and enjoy the track. It's almost no traffic because it is not a good day to drive.
The track is called Green Hell, of course. Okay, slow, yeah.
I love the Facebook picture you sent me of the man
Second gear.
looking like his girlfriend is chiding him, and he's saying, "What? You told me to go to hell." And he obviously just got back from the ring. Oh, we should have drifted right then for the photographers. But like they say at the briefing, they say they want you to wreck because it makes better pictures.
Yeah.
So they cheer for you to do dangerous things.
So here very slowly.
It's coming out of here.
The car lose oil. This is a deadline here.
Oh yes.
You are very fast here, and you see all the cars here in the at the wall.
Oh,
Crash the wall.
because of oil spots.
So Nadine make the marshals here in this at this post.
Smart. Smart of her. Yeah, we just had lunch with 3 race marshals. Very luxurious for a tourist like me. And this is one of the last days the Ring Cafe will be open, they said.
Normally they close this time, but the weather is so good, so they open. They opened for a few days.
The Nordschleife itself is open year-round, though, right? You use it at your own risk.
Yeah.
So you could drive in the snow if you wanted to.
They don't open it when it snows.
Okay, it is closed.
So this is a backpack where Niki Lauda lost his ear.
Among other things.
Yeah.
It was right here where he...
No, not the... on the straight line now.
Here is where...
Here, yeah. He crashed the barriers.
But he's still with us and still competing. Well, he still drives, but professionally he more... he race team manages. He works with the drivers.
Mm-hmm.
Good for him. Amazing the balance between amazing confidence and feeling that you're already slipping even though you're going slowly. Both feelings happen one right after the other. Oh, I could be going 150 kilometers an hour, 250 kilometers an hour. Wow, 40 kilometers an hour is a little too fast.
Yeah.
And they come right back to back. Well, we have not yet reached the carousel, but we have not yet died. 12 kilometers in. It's a 27 kilometer track?
24.
24, so we are half.
Including the Grand Prix track.
Including?
Excluding is 20 kilometers and 800 meters.
So we are just past halfway.
Yeah.
And I don't think we'll be breaking an 8-minute time this lap, but we are enjoying.
We are now on 30 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yeah, on the video I see it.
Oh no, I believe you, but that is amazing. That must be some type of record. I imagine they have actual rain tires on.
It's dangerous now on the right corner. Sometimes the corners are in the shadows from the trees, and then it's very, very slip.
I see.
Yeah. So now we are in the carousel.
And a little bit of fog.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Now you can drive inside the carousel.
You don't mind me doing it with your Renault?
Yeah.
And we're in. I'm excited to see how the WIKISPEED car is matured to handle this.
Oh, fine.
Very smooth.
Huh?
Oh yeah. It's easy to get excited and then it's easy to wreck. I feel like I'm in the first class in Gran Turismo, where you're in K cars with 40 horsepower, I feel exactly like this. Not that the car is that weak, but we're using it so gently because it is a slick day.
Mm.
15 kilometers, still not dead.
And 16 minutes.
Like I said, this must be some type of record. Tom the cat could probably do the lap similar. Always turn in later than you think.
Mm.
To the outside more.
Because here are so many letters painted on the track, and it's very dangerous here.
The letters themselves can be slippery.
Yeah, and here the yellow is
Use grease marker. Yeah, there's all the tourists, all the spectators.
Oh, now you must hear.
Yes, to fear this. Easy to start to get overconfident. I have to just remind myself to be very, very gentle.
Slower.
Setting up for this corner. And turn late. Oh, much later than that. Here would be my turn point. Yeah. Right?
Mm.
Standing water.
This was a corner to aim the tree. When you see the tree and fix it on 12 o'clock, you have to put the right corner now.
That's the corner where we sight the next turn with the tree because we're not able to see the next corner, right?
Yeah. Okay. This is a little carousel.
The cat's carousel.
Corner calls hang all the people, all your enemies.
Hang all your enemies. How did it get its name?
Before the Nurburgring was built, there was a place who hang up the people here.
Yeah, it was. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then our glorious, triumphant conclusion with a blast to 90 kilometers an hour. I don't mean to terrify everyone, but we're going 90.
20 kilometers and 21 minutes.
That must be some type of record.
Yeah.
Must be. Oh, and Nurburg Castle there to refresh you as you come out of the ring. There is just no other place like this on the planet, especially with such variable weather.
Okay, slow. Yeah, we have to take the exit.
Yeah. No, I know, but it's funny in general. Well, somehow we have both survived yet again.
On the right side.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah.
What is the left for then?
No, there.
Okay. That's where we came in.
So now on the right. Oh, there.
They let us through.
This is where
Stefan
works. Yeah. Okay.
And same spot.
Yeah. Well done. Without accidents.